Hello friends, welcome to my channel Jobonimus, and today I have got for you an amazing opportunity that has been floated by company Emphasis on its website. This position is open for fresher as well as experienced person, and if you are a 12th pass plus diploma or a graduate, you can apply for this job. So be there in the video till the end so that you can know about the eligibility criteria, job description and interview details. In case you are new to my channel, consider subscribing it because I make videos on latest job opportunities and their interview related preparation. So let's start off today's video with the opening, which is of customer support officer. Here if you are a graduate or a diploma holder, you can apply for this job. The job description will be to make outbound calls for insurance, data entry, and data verification, capture appropriate notes as per call out made, and you should have some good communication skills for this job. So, this is basically a calling and a data entry kind of work, which is a very simple work. Regarding the interview rounds, first there will be a telephonic round which will gauge your communication skills. Next will be the GD round, and in case they do not take the GD round, there will be an extempore round where they will just give you a topic and you have to speak for it for 20-25 seconds. But the difference will be it will not be in a group; it will just be an individual. Last will be the face-to-face interview. The job location will be Pune and salary will be approx 2 to 3 LPA. Now there is one more opening which is customer support officer voice role. Now for this role only graduates can apply. Diploma holders are not eligible for this one. And you should have excellent communication skills, both written and verbal, good analytical, logical, and reasoning skills, some good computer skills and good keyboard skills because you need to be able to toggle between many screens with speed and need to be able to type with speed and accuracy. Regarding the job description, your job description will be to answer customer calls as per training imparted and standard call handling procedures available. Will also have to make outbound calls as per the training imparted and adhering to the standard call handling procedure, recording appropriate notes on the account of all calls made, and you have to adhere to the compliance. Regarding this position, the interview rounds will consider of GD or again the extempore. Here you have to focus on current affairs because most of the topics are given on the basis of current affairs. The next will be a Versant telephonic round. For this round, I have already made a video for Amazon Versant round, and this will be very similar to that. So I am giving the link of that video in the description box. You can go through the Versant test if you haven't gone through yet. And last, here again there will be a face-to-face interview. The job location here is Pune as well as Bangalore. Salary will be 3 to 4 LPA, and I have given the link in the description box for both the jobs. You can apply as per your liking. So moving on to the interview questions, the first and the most common question that will be asked to you will be tell me about yourself. I have also discussed this question in my other videos. Here you just have to highlight about your education background, interest, hobbies and your career goals. Next will be tell me about your final year project. Now, this is a very important question and a very common question that has been asked by Emphasis during this positions interview round. So, prepare well for this particular question that would I suggest you. And the tips will be you have to be excited and cheerful while speaking about it because it will show that you have really put in effort in the project and you are happy to do it. Next, start with problem statement and solution. So what was the problem you were solving through that project and what was its solution? Don't go too much into technical details because the interviewer might lose interest as he may not understand the project in its complete technicalities. try to highlight your contribution and the teamwork, like how you divided the work among the team members, how many team members were there, and what was your individual contribution in doing that project. Lastly, you can tell them about any remarks that your professor gave you on that project and the final marks you received for that project. So these are some of the tips for answering this question. You can prepare accordingly. Next is, tell me about how you spent yesterday. Now, this is a very tricky question because most of the candidates do not expect this kind of question, but this has been asked by emphasis a lot of times. So here you have to try to include your hobbies in that, uh, time which you spend with your family every day, time for relaxation and exercise, time for news, time for basic chores like bathing, eating, self grooming, etc., time for your sleep, and finally time for your work. So try to include these things because it will show that you are a complete personality and you take care of almost all the things. Here the important thing is that interviewer wants to see that whatever you have mentioned in your CV matches with what you are saying, what you did yesterday. And here the important thing is sometimes you can make up the answer also. You don't have to be dead honest. As an example, if you fell ill or you met with an accident, you don't need to describe those things. You can just make your answer on these particular things because this will look like a much better answer. Next, about your strength and weaknesses, I have already discussed with you many times. It's a customer support role, so try to include your strengths which are related to communication skills, interpersonal skills, and negotiation skills. Regarding the weakness, try to include any weakness that you have and say that you are making efforts to improve it. So I'll not go too much into details. My bonus tip for this particular job would be to learn shortcut computer keys because in the job description that I have shown you, they have clearly written that they need good keyboard skills, need to be able to toggle between many screens with speed, and needs to be able to type with speed and accuracy. So here I will suggest you to learn some shortcut keys. I have given these keys here also, like Alt plus F for file menu options. So you can read about all these keys. You can pause the screen and read about them. Next is this screen and this one and this one. So these are some of the important shortcut keys which I have mentioned for you. You can learn these shortcut keys, and I have given the job in the job description in the description below. So just go to that and apply if you feel any opening is suitable to you. So if you think that this video has been useful to you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel so that you can get updates on the latest job openings and prepare for the interview as well. So I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.